Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the area of the region. That's about this one and this one. So here is about the graph. The area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. So we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have this one in here. So we need to divide both sides by number 4. And this one I will move negative number 4 go to the left, and we divide both sides by number 8. So we will have about 1 over 2 plus s squared over 8 equals to y. To find about the intersection, we have y and y in here. So we have about s squared over number 4 equals to 1 over number 2 plus s squared over 8. So I will put this one go to the left. So we have s squared over 8. And now I will put number 8 go to the right. So 8 divided by 2, we have number 4. So we put the square root for the both sides, and you got about s equals to number 2 and s equals to negative number 2. And now we have the area. So that should be about the integration from negative number 2 to positive number 2. So this one is about negative number 2. This one is about positive number 2. So we need to use about upper minus lower. The upper, that's about the dark purple. So that should be about this one. And we will use about this function in here. The lower, that's about the light purple. So that should be about this one. Now we need to simplify this one. We have negative s squared over 8. The integration of this one, we have s over 2. The integration of this one, we have number 3 over 3. Number 3 and number 8, we have 24. And we put the bounds from negative number 2 to positive number 2. So I will put number 2 gone here, negative number 2 gone here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate about this one. And we have 4 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end.